So with this tool, you can write a local newsletter full of events that are going on in your local area in 5 minutes. And not only that, that at the end, you can stick an ad at the top of that newsletter for your business or for another business that pays you for that advertising or sponsorship. Now, what this tool will do is it's going to go away and it's going to search for you. Okay, so you can see I ran this an hour ago and it found 6 events happening today, and it takes under 30 seconds, maybe a minute, for that to happen. All you do is pick your country, put your city in, so I put Turlock, your state, California, pick the duration that you want. I ran it under today, and then I got a newsletter. The newsletter, if I can show you, looks like this. Yes, AI has done it, but they've done all the hard work for you, and this becomes your newsletter. You can then just copy this and you can put it into a tool that will then publish your newsletter for you. So this is one, this is our software, this is CopyQuil, this is designed specifically for local newsletters. And you can see here, like I've just been typing in so that you can see exactly what's happened. And this is completely sort of 100% customizable. Or you could use something like Beehive. All the links to everything, by the way, are in the description, which will do exactly the same thing. But what I want to show you is an additional feature that you can bolt onto this, which is the RSS feeds. And what's so clever about the RSS feeds is it allows you to add RSS feeds from other sources. So you're not just pulling from the tool, you can actually add your own sources as well. Now, if you don't know what an RSS feed is, it's basically like a digital bulletin for that website. So city councils or large events, places such as stadiums, will have an RSS feed. So they'll publish things to their blogs, or they'll publish summaries, or they'll publish headlines, and that will go on their RSS feed, which means that that website itself has a little daily bulletin. What you can do is you can use these websites and get their RSS feeds, and you can integrate it into this tool. Okay, by the way, when you use this, it might look slightly different. We are going to sort of rebrand it and stuff, but it's going to work the same. So RSS feeds, you find them on local news sites, you find them on venue websites, community calendars. They're very, very easy to find. All you need to do is go to the homepage of any website and you either add /feed or /RSS. And if it's got one, then it will show up there. Okay. Now, this is another way of doing it. This website is called FeedSpot. And what you can do is you can put in your location to FeedSpot and it will find all of the feeds in the area. So I'm looking at Turlock in California. I just typed that in and it's found 5 feeds for me. So as you can see, this one ends in RSS. This one down here ends in feed. And you can directly add these to the tool. Okay, now when you click on the RSS feed, it does look a little bit intimidating. It's going to look something like this. You just need to copy and paste the URL. Okay, you don't even need to click on it. All you need to do is copy it, and then you're able to use it. So what I do is if I'm adding an RSS feed for my location, then I'm just going to fill this out. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in the URL. That was easy to find. Then we're going to put the name of the RSS feed so that I know where it's come from and I can stay nice and organized. I normally put that up there. And then you can put any kind of information you want down here. What I tend to put is I like just to have the websites. And you can take all of this if you want as well. It's completely up to you. You might type in there sort of what the source is good for, that kind of thing. But I can just fill all of that out. And that means that I can reference this information if I want to. This isn't really for the tool to use. It's not for the AI to use. It's more for your reference. And I hit add feed and that's it. It will be added. Let me figure out what I've done wrong. Okay, so it looked like I just grabbed the wrong link, but there we go. It should now work. Absolutely no problems. It's been added and I've now got 2 RSS feeds. So what we've got now is we have 10 items in this feed, 10 items in this feed that we can now pull in order to put into our local newsletter. So we're no longer just relying on what the tool does, and this pulls from loads and loads of events-based websites, but we're now combining that with the RSS feed information that we found, so that when we fill this out again and we hit search events, we'll get a much more detailed newsletter with huge amounts to put in. And again, under 5 minutes, you've got this whole thing written, and then you can focus on getting subscribers and growing this and making money from it, rather than the actual writing of the newsletter. See you in the next one.